Hey you guys, we're back with another DIY and I'm going to be doing a cake topper. And this cake topper is going to be for the bestie and I'm going to send it to her for her birthday. So I'll be using the cake toppers that I link always down below. Don't worry, I'm going to link everything on my Amazon storefront. And I'm just going to go ahead and peel this off. Now this is the hardest part, is peeling this little thing off. But you guys, once you get it, the whole thing comes off. Like all the way to the bottom. So I'll link everything here on my storefront, of course, because we're gonna make this for her birthday. And I'm thinking she could add this to her cake, or if she buys herself a cupcake, she can add it to her cupcake. Now I'm gonna be using this birthday girl that I made. I didn't want to write her name on it just in case she does want to post a picture. I don't want it to be too personal. It's up to her. But I could have wrote her name on there on the top. But I really like the way it looks like that. So you can customize this however you want. I'm going to go ahead and use a transfer tape. And I'm going to go ahead and use my scraper. Everything is going to be linked down below. So these are cute. These are just little like customized cake toppers, you guys. I've been loving them. You can use them for anything. It doesn't have to be just for a cake. You know. I'm going to lift it. And then we're going to go ahead and put it right in the middle. So whatever the middle is to you, I want you to put it. Like so. I'm going around. And then we're going to scrape it down. I'll link everything down below in my storefront. Don't worry about that. I got you. Okay. We're going to grab it from the side. And we're going to wiggle it. How beautiful is that? And if you want, you can just use it like this. So just like that, it is super beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it's not going anywhere. Okay. So there you go. You can put it on your cake. Simple, easy, cute cake topper. And I can send it out to her just like that. But you know I'm not. We are going to go ahead and paint this. Okay, we're going to flip it. And I'll be using pink for the flower. No, not this one. A blush pink. And make sure you guys shake your paint before you use it, because if you don't shake it, it's not going to look good. Now let's go ahead and paint the flowers. Make sure you have it on the opposite side. Okay, I'm going to grab a new brush. That one, for some reason, is not doing anything. And that's okay. See how this one's way better? Make sure you guys, if your brushes are old, just throw them away. Or wash them really good so they won't do that. Okay? So I'm going to grab a new brush for the green because I'll be doing the leaves as well. Make sure you shake your paint. And do your leaves. And do the other side as well. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and use my heat gun. And I'm just going to go ahead and dry that up really quick. Make sure it's nice and dry if you're going to go ahead and give it another layer. If not, don't give it a layer until it's nice and dry. Okay, we're going to flip that and see where we're at. What do you guys think? Okay, so we're gonna do a little more of the green. And just so it's a little darker, that's all. And I'm definitely gonna do more of the pink. Don't do it until it's nice and dry or it will lift. You don't want your paint lifting, let me tell you. It's awful. Okay, we're gonna heat press this. And then we're on to the next step. Her favorite color is blue, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it a light blue, but I'm gonna use white to mix it up. I don't want it to be too blue. Okay, so we're gonna close this up. I'm gonna be using this blush blue. I'll link all the stuff down below. Actually, I'll link my Amazon storefront and I'll put it on there, just in case you guys want it. Get it. And I'll also be using the white, and I'll be using this brush. Yeah, I'll be using this brush right here. Okay, so the next step, you guys, is to lift it. See where you're at. Do you like it? I love it. Now I want to color the flower from the top just a little bit more. So let me do that. Like so. Like so. And that's it. Okay, so since I did add a little more color, I'm just gonna use my heat gun again. Use your heat gun, that's what it's for. Okay. We're gonna use the blue. I'm just gonna give it a good shake. I'm gonna dab it right there. That was a lot. Right here. Right there. Right there. And right there. That is enough for the blue. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my white. Wait, guys. I hate when my mat gets painted. I already shook it. I'm gonna just dab it. Come on. A little bit of the white. Nothing big. Okay. And I'm also gonna just clean it up as well. Oops. I put a little bit of the blue in the white. I don't want that. Okay, cleaned it off, close it up, and here's where the magic begins. Okay, guys, wish me well. Let's go ahead and make sure this is okay. Mix it. We're just gonna go on top of that. Go around it. Just strokes, that's all I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna lift it. Oh my God, it is so pretty. She is going to love this. I don't want to get anything stained. I'll make sure that I get every corner I can. Okay, I'm gonna go around it with my finger. Take out any excess paint. I'm just gonna wipe down anything that I don't like. Oh, I'm sorry, doing is wiping it down. Making sure that none of this paint stays on here, on the front, before it dries. That's all I'm doing. You see, that's all I'm doing real quick. I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna use my heat gun. If I want to give it a second layer, I can. Totally up to me. And let's just do that. Use it on the low setting, don't use it on the high. Once you feel that it is nice and dry, you can go ahead and do a second layer of the blue or leave it alone. It's up to you. I like it. I'm loving it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around. And look how pretty this is. Isn't this a summer? Doesn't this say beautiful clouds? Doesn't this say peaceful? Doesn't this say happy birthday? I hope she likes it. Now, another step that you can do that I wasn't sure if I was even gonna do it is add little flowers to it. So you can add little real flowers to that. Like this. Like if you don't want to add fake ones, you can add real ones and glue them on there. I love the way this looks, so I'm definitely not going to mess it up with that. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are going to make one. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment. Until next time. Bye, you guys.